Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Ayamayos Wellness Hub. Welcome to our ultimate guide on cinnamon. You know, we often think about healthy foods as being, well, kind of bland. But cinnamon is here to prove that healthy can be delicious too. Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits and versatile uses of this incredible spice. We'll uncover its ancient origins, explore the different types, and of course, I'll give you the doctor-approved advice on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. So let's get right into it. Cinnamon has a history as rich and warm as its flavor. For centuries it was a prized possession, traded along ancient spice routes connecting the East and the West. Imagine caravans laden with this precious cargo, traveling across vast deserts and treacherous mountains, all for a taste of this aromatic spice. It was so valuable that it was considered a gift fit for kings and emperors. Originating from Sri Lanka, which was once known as Ceylon, cinnamon comes from the bark of the cinnamon tree. But it's not just any bark, it's the inner bark, carefully harvested and dried to create those distinctive cinnamon sticks we all know and love. But cinnamon wasn't just enjoyed for its flavor. Ancient civilizations recognized its medicinal properties, using it to aid digestion, boost immunity, and even as a perfume. So, the next time you sprinkle cinnamon on your latte, remember, you're experiencing a spice with a history as captivating as its aroma. Now, you might be surprised to learn that there are actually different types of cinnamon. The two most common are Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon, hailing from Sri Lanka, has a lighter, more delicate flavor and a smoother, more brittle texture. It's considered the higher quality variety and contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound found in cinnamon that can be harmful in large amounts. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, is more widely available and what you're likely to find in most grocery stores. It originates from China and has a stronger, more pungent flavor and a thicker, harder bark. While both types offer health benefits, Ceylon cinnamon is generally considered the safer option for regular consumption, especially in larger quantities. So, if you're looking for the highest quality cinnamon with the most delicate flavor and potential health advantages, Ceylon cinnamon is the way to go. Beyond its delicious flavor, cinnamon is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants and boasting a range of impressive health benefits. One of its most well-known benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar. Cinnamon is also a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for a wide range of conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon has also been linked to improved brain function, reduced cholesterol levels, and even cancer-fighting properties. Now, I'm not saying cinnamon is a miracle cure, but incorporating it into your diet can be a delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. Cinnamon is incredibly versatile in the kitchen, adding warmth and complexity to both sweet and savory dishes. Of course, we all know and love cinnamon in our favorite baked goods, like cinnamon rolls, apple pie, and snickerdoodles. But don't limit yourself to desserts. Cinnamon can also add a touch of warmth and depth to savory dishes. It pairs beautifully with meats like lamb and pork, adding a touch of exotic flavor. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon to your next chili recipe, or sprinkle it on roasted vegetables for a unique twist. And let's not forget about beverages. Cinnamon is a classic addition to coffee, tea, and even hot chocolate. It adds a cozy, comforting flavor that's perfect for chilly evenings. So get creative in the kitchen and explore the endless possibilities of cooking with cinnamon. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Here are a few simple ideas to get you started. Start your day with a sprinkle of cinnamon in your coffee, oatmeal, or yogurt. It's a simple way to add flavor and reap the health benefits. Add a cinnamon stick to your next pot of tea, or simmer with apple cider for a warm and comforting beverage. Use cinnamon to flavor roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, or butternut squash. The combination of sweet and savory is simply irresistible. Make your own cinnamon sugar blend by combining ground cinnamon with a bit of sugar or a natural sweetener like stevia. Sprinkle it on toast, fruit, or even popcorn for a healthy and delicious treat. Remember, even small amounts of cinnamon can make a big difference, so get creative and find what works best for you. That's it for our deep dive into the world of cinnamon. I hope you learned something new about this incredible spice and feel inspired to incorporate it into your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and guides. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let us know in the comments how you use cinnamon in your daily life. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the delicious world of spices.